Stop. Your engine problem might not be the engine. It could be this. The fuel injector spray pattern. Look closely. This one? Blocked. Fuel can't atomize. Power drops. This one? Poor spray. Uneven combustion. Vibration starts. This one? Normal. Fine mist. Perfect combustion. Maximum efficiency. And this. The most dangerous. Dripping injector. Fuel leaks even when it shouldn't. Cylinder floods. Mileage crashes. Engine damage begins. Injectors don't fail suddenly. They warn you. If you ignore the spray pattern, your engine pays the price. Fuel delivery decides engine life.